Hi teachers, hope you are doing great in your classroom. Even I am enjoying my classroom a lot. So in this video, I will tell you how you can introduce letter to the little learners in a more fun way. So in most of the classes, you can see teachers are just introducing letter by showing them the letter directly and showing the objects that begins with that letter or that sound. And if you are also doing this, then the classroom will be little bit boring. So let's make it more interesting by introducing the letter with some creative story. Okay, let's start. So I have made one story for letter R. It's my own self-created story. You can create your own story based on the objects you are going to show to the children. So my letter is letter R. So that's why I have made one finger puppet with the name Rosie. I will tell my class that her name is Rosie. You can also say like this, or you can introduce your own story. You are free to be creative. So her name is Rosie. I will tell like this. Children, look, her name is Rosie. She was playing with her robot. Rosie playing with her robot. She was wearing a ring in her finger and holding a rose in her hand. Ring in her finger, rose in her hand. And she went out. It started to rain. It started to rain and she saw a rat. She ran to the home. Do you like the story? Yes. Have you seen? I have told you Rosie, rain, rose, rat, and robot. Can you tell me, ma'am is going to talk about which letter? Yes, the letter. Okay, so after introducing the letter with letter R and a beautiful story, now it's time for the student to listen a song with letter R. So this is the song you can sing in the classroom for letter R. There will be a certain action for each soundcracker song. For today, letter R, the action will be like this. Make the pause, lion pause, okay? And we will sing like, the lion can roar so loud, the lion can roar so loud, the lion can roar so loud. Yes. So this song will be beneficial for the student to learn or remember the sound of letter R. As we are saying several times with the singing, it will be easier for the student to remember the song easily and the sound easily, right? One more time, should we sing? Yeah. The lion can roar so loud, the lion can roar so loud, the lion can roar so loud. Yes, so this way, if you introduce letters, your student will remember all the things you are doing in the classroom. So it will be very fruitful class. So let's use this type of technique to make learning more interesting for our kids. Yes. As you have seen that I have introduced letter R with an interesting story and the soundcracker song I have sang. Now it's time for the student to know the letter formation. Letter formation means writing part. It's one of the most important part of it teaching. So before starting writing inside the book or copy, please do the air tracing to make the students understand which way they will move their pencil. Okay. Tell your student, raise your two fingers in the air, make one standing line, one curved line and one slanting line. One more time. Make one standing line, one curved line and one slanting line. If you do this, your student will understand on which direction they can move the pencil to write letter R. Okay, so one more important part you will get that you have seen in our English copy there will be uh, 4 lines. I am showing you. I have some copy in my hand. Yeah, there are 4 lines. Yeah, In the English copy, you will find 4 lines, and these lines are having, each line is having their individual name. The first red line is called skyline. Second blue line is called airplane line. Third blue line is called grass line, and the fourth red line or the last line is called worm line. So if you know which letter will start from which line, then only you will get good handwriting. So to get nice, neat, clean handwriting, you need to know which letter will start from which line. I will show you in the digiboard how you should teach your student do writing part. Okay, let's see it. Now we will know how to write letter R by following all these 4 lines. As I have already informed you that there will be 4 lines in our English copies, and each line is having their individual name. The first line is called skyline, second line is called airplane line, third line is called grass line, and the fourth line is called worm line. Okay, so for letter R, uppercase letter R, we will start writing from the line number 1 or from skyline. Start from here, make one standing line and touch the last blue line, that is line number 3, and one curved line, make it curve, and one slanting and touch again the last blue line. This is how you will write uppercase R. Now it's time to learn how to write the lowercase r. First make one standing line and one curved line from its neck. Touch it here from its neck. Okay, so this is how we will write uppercase and lowercase r by following all the 4 lines in our book and copy.